So when we read the question first, what we notice is that it says, hey, look, how far apart are they? When we're asking about how far apart something is, what are we thinking? Is it distance, rate, or time that we're thinking of here? Yeah, we're thinking of distance. Remember, we're not trying to think about how we're going to solve this. That's not what I'm asking. I'm asking, do we know what we need to find? How far apart tells us distance, the distance between two things. So yeah, we are looking for distance, how far apart they are. So if we're thinking about two runners, we have runner number one, runner number two, running in the same direction at the same time. So everybody, let me know. If we're going in the same direction, what operation do we think of? Correct. We are going to be subtracting. Exactly. Because remember, if we're subtracting, we're going to be finding the gap between those endpoints. So with that said, if we wanted to take those rates that we're going to be given here, runner A running at 9 miles an hour, runner B at 7 miles an hour, what do we do with those rates again? The first rate, 9 miles an hour. Second rate, 7 miles per hour. And we will subtract. Exactly. We subtract because, again, opposite directions. Right on. So now we subtract and we get 2 miles an hour. That is our true rate. That is the true rate right there. They're moving apart from each other at a rate of 2 miles an hour. What time are we given here, everybody? What time period are they running for? 5 hours. That's a long time, but that's what the problem says. So they run for 5 hours, so that's the time that we're dealing with. T equals 5. And now we're good. Because if we're trying to find out how far apart they are, we need the rate at which they're moving apart and the time for which they're moving apart at. And there we go. We plug everything in and we are done. Distance equals 2 miles an hour times 5 hours. Everybody, 2 times 5 gives us what? Yeah, and that's going to give us 10. And that's going to give us 10. 10 miles and we are done.